Well guys, it's official. I got the infamous lifter tick, and I changed my oil last night and it didn't seem to do anything. So tomorrow I'm taking it to the mechanic. I'm gonna see if anything happens. So apparently lifter tick is actually quite normal to have on cold starts and that sort of thing, and I vaguely remember, wow, you can't see anything. I vaguely remember having lifter tick on some very, very cold mornings here in Toronto, like -40. But it just started happening yesterday, and I have no idea why. Wow, you really can't see a single thing. Yeah, it gets pretty loud. I tried the bleeding procedure too. That doesn't seem to fix anything. Apparently that rarely ever works. I gave it a shot anyways. So BMW quoted me about $1,200 to take apart the engine and inspect it, because they said they charge about $170 an hour. And they need about 6 hours to look at the whole engine. So yeah, then they said it's about what did they say, $2,000 for a new valve assembly, and then they said it was $4,000 to order in a new lifter. New lifters? $4,000 order in new lifters. I'm losing my train of thought here. That clacking is so annoying. So yeah, I'm gonna see what the mechanic says tomorrow. Hopefully it's just a small readjustment, maybe a couple $100 or something. Really hoping my car's not on its last legs here, so we'll see what happens.